Hello everybody, I'm here to demonstrate to you my PBX 308 Easyphone Panasonic unit. I had to take the front door off here only because my music on hold cord that I have to use won't fit in there with the door shut. I got it, ran to this little MP3 player. There it is. So when you're on hold you hear our local radio station. And that's powered by this power supply with a cigarette lighter adapter and a USB that goes up to there to keep it charged. It's pretty low power, so ain't no big deal. So you got some music on hold action. I got a little list of extensions that you can call through it. You got 7 lines hooked up throughout the house. A couple of them are in here, and it also works on rotary phones. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you a little bit. I have this wall phone on the wall. We'll give it a ring here real quick. Just show you how to do the extension calling, which is number 12. And there it is. And be like, hey, what's up, man? Yeah. Works on every phone in the house, no matter what number you call. So do the green phone. That's what it sounds like. Answer. There we go. Yo! So we'll hang up this one. Number 13 on there is the downstairs. And I do have all these phones hooked up. This cordless one is actually hooked up to the CO2. So when you call me, or no, through the Magic Jack, so I can see who's calling me. But I'm going to try it downstairs, and we'll take 13. Be right back. And that's this rotary phone down here. So yeah, we do got a lot of rotary phones. And there we go. And you can even call Magic Jack on this phone, which you could either dial 81 or I just dial 9. There you go. Ah, I messed up. Let's try it again. You gotta go kind of fast on the Magic Jack one. Alright.
High-speed internet and all your entertainment needs. Visit us at CincinnatiBell.com or stop in your local Cincinnati Bell store to learn more.
So we can dial out from these through the 308. Which is pretty neat. Go back upstairs. Yeah, I can even call upstairs lines. Might as well show you just for shits and giggles. Call the call me, which is 17. Here. And you got this phone ringing. There you go. Then if you want to call outside from the CNET Asterisk, you can use your lovely cell phone. Go through this number here. This is going to run through this PAP right here. There you go. As soon as you pick up a phone, you see it rolling. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, I'm talking on the cell phone. Through the Asterisk. So that's kind of cool. That's another way to call it. Let's see, is there anything else we can call and activate the answering machine? Let's do that just for the hell of it.
Leave your name, number, and a message at the sound of the beep, and we'll be sure to get back in touch with you as soon as possible. If you would like to call the Commodore 64 system, you can tell that at AMBF.org port 23. And once again, we'd like to thank you for calling our 1977 answering machine.
There, hit the mute button. But anyway, that's that. So it's hooked up to that specific line, which is pretty cool. And then on the answering machine, it'll show. I ain't gonna show you my phone number, but it'll hook you up. So anyway, that's the whole 308 little system, and even calling the Magic Jack, which is pretty cool. But I think that's good enough for a video. So I hope y'all enjoy it.